princess must say this. A princess must marry a total stranger. It's absurd! Suitors talk of love, but it's an act merely meant to throw me. How can someone love me when in fact they don't know me? They want my royal treasure. When all is said and done, it's time for a desperate measure. So I wonder, why shouldn't I fly so far from here? I know the girl I might become here, sad and confined, and always locked behind these palace walls.
I don't know, Princess. For someone like you, the outside world might be kinda overwhelming.
Is that a promise?
I think it'd do her some good.
You do?
Honey, I've never seen somebody who needed to get out more.
Told to show devotion every day and not second guess it.
If a new emotion comes my way,
You suppress it
what would be your suggestion?
Stand on your own 2 feet.
and ask why a certain question keeps repeating.
Why shouldn't I fly so far from here? I know the girl I might become here. Follow your heart, or you might end up cold and callous.
Love comes to those who go and find it. Give you a dream, then stand behind it.
Maybe there's more beyond these palace walls. What if I dared? What if I tried? Am I prepared?